Why did you want to start a YouTube channel with your family? What was harder about making a YouTube channel than you thought it would be? We're a regular family. We just, don't always put every crying moment or every silly moment on video. So I've got some questions that have been asked for you and for me. So we'll start with a couple of your questions first.
Okay.
All right. Can you tell us your name and how old you are?
Finley, and I'm 6 years old.
Okay. What's your favorite thing to do for fun?
Sit around and listen to my audiobooks.
What kind of audiobooks do you like listening to?
On the Banks of Plum Creek and Anna Free Gables.
Nice. All right, so big question. Why did you want to start a YouTube channel with your family?
Because I saw others doing it and I thought it might be fun.
Yeah. Who else did you see that you wanted to, who did you see that made you fall in love with vlogging or family adventures and make you want to start a channel?
The Gomez family.
Was that the main one or were there other ones too?
That's probably the main one.
Okay. What is the most fun thing you've done on the channel so far?
I like doing the audio with Dada. And I kind of like going down the water slides with the camera.
Like recording?
Uh-huh.
Okay. What was harder about making a YouTube channel than you thought it would be?
Like putting it together.
Like the editing process? Okay. What are you most excited to share with everyone on the channel?
This video.
This video? Like letting people know a little bit more about us?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can you tell us about a special moment you had with your family while making a video?
Going to the water park.
Going to the water park was a fun one. All right, then a couple questions that were for me. Why did you decide to start a family vlog channel? Well, Finley was very excited about wanting to start one. She wanted to create a channel. She asked if we could create one. We were kind of hesitant at first, but then ultimately we decided that we'd let her try it and see if she enjoyed it and see where it goes. And I already had a little bit of background with making videos and editing, so I knew a little bit of the process before we even jumped into it, so that helped kind of give us a start.
Mm-hmm.
What has been the most rewarding part of creating content with your family? Well, I think the biggest thing for myself as a parent was helping encourage Finley to understand that it's not all about the views or the subscriptions. We're creating the videos because it's fun and it's great if people watch it, but we'll see if anyone watches it and if they think it's interesting or if they find anything worth value. But kind of being able to instill while she's at a younger age that the views and the subscriptions don't define any value for her, and it's just a fun part of something we do as a family. Unexpected challenges we face while vlogging. Well, we have 3 kids, and anybody who's a parent knows that could be a challenge in itself because sometimes we have what's the right word? We have breakdowns, we have emotional moments. It's also a good time for Finn to learn about how videos sometimes show the best parts and sometimes they cut out the parts that are a little bit crazy, but at the same time we're a regular family. We just don't always put every crying moment or every silly moment on video. What lessons have we learned about parenting through making these videos? I think those were a couple of the big ones, but being patient, being kind, I don't know. Those are a couple of things that are a little more challenging when you're videotaping because at any given moment, I don't know why I said videotaping, like this is like the 80s or something, but
It's not the 80s.
I don't know. What I'm saying is like videotaping is kind of a funny way to say that. Videoing, taping. You don't even know what a VHS tape is, do you?
No.
Yeah, I didn't think so. Anyways, when making videos, like there's a lot of times where like you're in the middle of a moment, and sometimes it's a great moment, and sometimes it's a crazy moment, and sometimes it's a very emotional moment. So, anyways, it can be a lot of fun, but it can also be very interesting or challenging at times. All right, so this is for both of us. What has been our favorite video to make so far, and why? All right, Finley, you want to go first?
Going to the water park was pretty fun, and making our first intro.
Okay. For me, I think the Shields video was fun because that's something that we've done before for like your birthday. It's just like a fun place to go that's not like super expensive, but like a good time to try different things. And so it's cool to like take the whole family and then also share it with people. What do you enjoy most about working together with your family on the channel?
Like filming the videos is fun.
Mm-hmm.
And taking you guys along on the water slides.
Okay. I think it's just fun, like capturing all those moments together because while yes, we would normally enjoy them and spend time together as a family doing them, it's been fun capturing them too because then we get to watch them back later and like relive the memories, which has been, I think, fun. What are some future plans or ideas you have for the channel, Finley? You've already hinted at the water park a couple times. What other future plans or ideas do you have for the channel?
That's hard.
Nothing you can think of at the moment?
Not really.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know, capturing more moments together. I think that one thing I'm excited about is we as a family enjoy a lot of holiday moments, like between Christmas and even like Halloween. Like we typically do like fun activities and things, so I'm excited to capture some of those and share those. Because those are like special moments for us, so it'd be cool to like share those with other people too. Anything else you can think of?
Doing my losing a tooth video.
Losing a tooth video. She hasn't lost a tooth yet, but she's got a loose tooth, so she's excited about making that video, which will be fun. Anything else you want to share or tell people?
No.
No? You should probably tell them to like and subscribe.
Oh, and like and subscribe.